teacher khai niang à.
Video dang te khai nei.
About
Tinge bo.
Delete lo.
ka delete.
Tinge delete.
Amma saber englawatam khan sei la.
The middle one is very hot and it's the sun, the biggest star. Also not the biggest star. There are much larger stars in the solar system or galaxy. And this is the first planet, Mercury. And it can reach 800 degrees Fahrenheit in its front, facing towards the sun. And the other side is very cold. And this is the second planet. It is called Venus. And it's the second planet from the sun. And it's the hottest planet due to the thick clouds. And I think it has radiation. And this is the planet Earth, the planet we live on. Also the third planet. There is life, only life on Earth. And the fourth planet is Mars, the red planet. And it is very cold. And this is Jupiter, a gas giant. It is the largest planet, and it has rings. Not enough that you can see it, but Jupiter has rings and stormy clouds inside. And Jupiter has no ground because it's made of all gas. And also Saturn. Saturn has rings. And it is beautiful. And also spins fast like Jupiter. It spins fast at cut. Look at them. It is beautiful and has rings. Jupiter spins fast. And Uranus has rings and rotates on its side like this. If it's like this, it's like this. And Neptune, the coldest planet, it is the farthest planet from the sun. Like Uranus and Jupiter and Saturn, they are made of gas but ice giants. Jupiter and Saturn are gas giants.
Nó sấy phẹt thiềm im à.
Khoe nghe nún nào lậu khá.
Mo?
Nún nào lậu nó khá nghe khá. Living non life from lậu nó khá. Em plan nó tạ tê. Apa tamom về.
Ani le coldest planet ka Venus kami Neptune.
How hot is the sun?
Mm.
How hot is the sun? Forgot.
It is very hot.
It is very hot, no? It's your chin car. I think it's done.